Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Xiaomi A Pro TV. So first of all, if your remote control didn't pair to the TV automatically, you can pair it manually by holding down the home button and settings button together for a couple of seconds. This will pair your remote control to your TV, and after that you're gonna have to select your language, the system language for your TV. So navigate here using your D-pad keys and select with the middle D-pad key. After that, select your region or country in the same way, and then you're gonna have two options to proceed this setup with. So you can either press the down D-pad key on your remote control and select manual setup. I recommend you using this in case you failed with automatic setup, or in case you are using an iPhone. Because in both of these cases, most probably you will not be able to scan the QR code on your screen. You'll be able to scan the QR code, you'll not be able to proceed with the quick setup with the QR code. If you are using an iPhone, and if you want to try this with an iPhone, I also recommend updating the Google Home application, because that's what you're going to be using for setting up this PC. On Android smartphones, you just have to scan this QR code and the connection will begin automatically. And I recommend using this feature because this will set up your TV much faster, and you aren't going to have to enter your Google email and password, as well as you will not have to connect to the Wi-Fi and entering password to your Wi-Fi with your remote control. So just open camera application on your Android smartphone and follow the link after scanning the QR code. This will begin the connection. Then you're gonna have to verify your identity. Then you're gonna have to select a Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Just select the Wi-Fi here, enter your password on your phone, and tap continue. Wait until your TV connects to the Wi-Fi, and then it will sign you into your Google account that is linked with your smartphone. So this way you will save yourself a lot of time without having to do everything manually. And now let's just wait until the TV is signed in to our Google account. After that, we're gonna have to accept Google's terms of service. So just click the middle D-pad key to accept them. Click view more, got it. And then you can also adjust Google services. So if you see on toggle in the top right corner of the tile, you can actually turn off this feature by simply clicking on this option and then disabling it. So you can, for example, disable usage and diagnostics, recommendations and ads, location, and automatic update, although I don't see this option here. So after setting up your Google services, navigate to accept option and click OK, and then wait until the setup is finished. Now select allow. Agree to activate voice match on your TV. If you don't want to activate voice match, you can select no thanks. And then personal results. If you want to get them, select turn on, otherwise select no thanks. And those are the finishing steps. Now we just have to select a home and a room in our home where the TV is placed. Then select the pre-installed services, so the apps that you want to be pre-installed on your TV before you start using it, so you don't have to search for them manually. You can just automatically select the services that you're going to be using by hitting the checkbox in the top right corner of each app that you want to install, then click confirm. Select your energy mode. I recommend using either optimized or increased. Low energy mode will result in rather poor image quality. Okay, now we have the Xiaomi TV set up. So I actually accidentally skipped. Okay, so we can set up the channels using antenna, cable, satellite, or something else. So if you want to scan the channels right now, you can select your preferable connection type, the one that you have set up with your TV, and then proceed with the channel scan. I don't have any cable connected to my TV right now, therefore I'm just gonna skip this step. And don't worry, we can do this later in settings. Then agree to Xiaomi terms and service HBB TV privacy policy. Okay, and now everything is finished. Now we just have to wait until the update is completed. So our TV right now is downloading the most recent software update, and once it's finished, the TV will most probably restart, and then we'll be able to start using our TV. Then you can also set up your screensaver if you want to, or you can just skip this step. Now let's go to Google TV and start using our TV. In quick settings, we can finish the setup by setting up optional features. But from now on, we basically can start using TV and all the services, including the pre-installed apps that we selected on one of the previous screens. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.